Hi everyone, iPadOS 18 brings several exciting new features and enhancements to Apple's tablets. Here are some of the highlights. Apple Intelligence. This new AI feature includes advanced writing tools for rewriting, proofreading, and summarizing text across various apps. It also introduces Image Playground for creating animations, illustrations, or sketches, and an improved Cleanup tool in the Photos app to remove distracting objects from photos. Additionally, you can use ChatGPT integration for enhanced responses. Calculator app. iPadOS 18 finally introduces a native calculator app, which includes Math Notes. This feature allows you to write equations with the Apple Pencil and get instant calculations and graphs. Notes enhancements. The Notes app receives Smart Script, which tidies up handwritten notes and converts typed text to match your handwriting style. It also gets voice transcription and the ability to organize notes with drop-down menus and color highlights. Photos app. The Photos app gets a redesigned layout with improved photo grids and customizable collections. Integration of reminders and calendar. Reminders can now be seen and managed directly within the Calendar app, streamlining tasks and event management. iPadOS 18 is set to support iPads from 2020 onwards, with some AI features only available on devices with M1 chips or newer due to processing power requirements. The release is expected in the fall, coinciding with the launch of the iPhone 16. Thanks for watching.